Hello Bacha Party, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well and all of you have watched part 1 of explanation. This is the second part of textbook explanation. Before starting the second part of textbook explanation, we are here to discuss some of the important topic and definition related to chapter. The first one is digestion. So what is digestion? Digestion is nothing but the food we eat, whether it is pani puri, pav bhaji, pizza, burger, dal chawal, sabji roti, gulab jamun, whatever it is, that particular food is complex. Okay, complex mean very hard, and that food need to be broken down into simple substance. Why simple substance? Because simple substance provide us nutrients. And now someone will ask, sir, what is nutrients? So nutrients is the nothing but substance which gives strength to our body and help us to grow. That substance is known as nutrients. So in digestion, the food we eat is broken down into simpler substances. Is it clear, Bacha Party? What is digestion and definition of digestion? Now next is digestive system. So can anyone tell what is digestive system? Digestive system is nothing but set of organs that helps in the process of digestion. We have already seen what is digestion. It is nothing but breaking down of food into simpler substances. So there are some organs in our body that helps in this process of digestion, and that set of organ is known as digestive system. Simple. We will see the what are the organs, main organs in the digestive system in the next topic. So now here are some main organs of our digestive system. So the process of digestion start from mouth, then food goes to food pipe, which is also known as esophagus. Okay, here you can see in the spelling there is O, but O is here silent. Okay, how it is pronounced? Esophagus. Okay, then we have stomach, then we have liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and the wastage of food or extra material comes out of anus. Is it clear, Bacha Party? What are the main organs of our digestive system? Again, what are they? Mouth, food pipe, which is known as esophagus, then we have stomach, then liver, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, and anus. Is it clear, Bacha Party? It is very simple. Based on this, you may have question in your question paper that what are the important organs of digestive system. So you have to write this answer. These different organs you have to write. Okay? Today we are going to see what are the path of the food through our body and what are the different body parts that help in the digestion. Okay, so here they have given that food must be going after you put in your mouth. Okay, so it is very important point that the process of digestion start at mouth. Okay, if the question is asked where the process of digestion start, so in the mouth. And the path of food through body, this we have already discussed in our previous videos. So let me share the image. As you can see here in the image, the food we eat, which the process of digestion start from mouth and it goes through esophagus, then to stomach, then from large intestine to small intestine, and lastly it comes out of anus. Is it clear, Bacha Party? Please screenshot this image because it may be asked in your coming unit test. That is, write the different parts of your digestive system. The next topic is about glucose trip. So when this glucose drip is given and why it is given, that they have discussed in this topic. So they have given the story of Neetu, who was very sick and got vomiting and loose motion. So father of Neetu gave her sugar and salt solution, which is one of the cure for loose motion and vomiting. You can give sometimes salt and sugar solution to patients who has vomiting or loose motion. But here Neetu felt very weak and dizzy, so Neetu should get admitted to hospital, that is said by doctor. Okay, she need to given a glucose drip. So Neetu got confused and she wondered what is this glucose drip. So here doctor explained that stomach is upset and your body is not getting the food or water that you eat, and due to that you are feeling very weak. So glucose drip, okay, as you can see here in the figure, the bottle of glucose is given, that is nothing but glucose drip. The glucose drip will give you some strength quickly. So what is the function of glucose drip? The glucose drip give you strength, okay, and that is also very quickly without even eating. So here is the important point. Maybe we have some fill in the blank based on this in assignment 1 also. So what are the function of glucose drip? First, it gives you strength quickly and we can get glucose drip even without eating, and it is also used when you feel weak and dizzy, okay, and during the vomiting and loose motion also glucose drip is given. Sometime you can get ORS1 for loose motion and vomiting. Is it clear, bacha party? These are the very important point that you should remember. Then they have discussed about some glucose. What is glucose? Have you heard about glucose? Then the very nice poem of Martin's Window. You should read it once. Okay, this is a very beautiful poem. And after that, a story that is a stomach with a window. Okay, as you can see in the above page, they have given one poem. Okay, in the poem you read about soldier called Martin. Okay, and we have to discuss story based on that, and that story we will discuss in the next part of this chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye bye.
Keep watching and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and do not forget to be a mask and take good care of your health.